to show you just how easy it is to connect Help Scout to Paperform. Hey everyone, Alex here from Paperform, and I'm excited to show you how quick and easy it is to connect Paperform to Help Scout, an exciting customer communications platform. Help Scout is great for growing teams as it allows you to manage all your customer communications in one place. Let's check it out. With the Help Scout direct integration, it's so easy to create new conversations from form submissions. Here, I created a simple contact form for my website. Now, before I collect the code and easily embed the form, I want to set up a direct integration with Help Scout so that when respondents complete the form, my customer support team will receive a new conversation ticket and can begin assisting. So from the form editor, navigate to After Submission, Integrations and Webhooks, then select Help Scout, create new conversation. Time to connect your Help Scout account. Select Add Account and follow the prompts to verify and authorize the connection. Once it's been successful and your account is connected and selected, let's continue setting up the integration. You can see that fields have now become visible and they need to be configured. Select the mailbox you want conversations to be created in. And then for the other fields, we can use answer piping to display a submitter's response. Just select the icon to the right and a menu will appear displaying the data you can pipe into each field. I want the customer email to obviously be the email the submitter provided. So I'll select the email question field. This will now dynamically populate form submitters' responses, ensuring that the conversation created is correctly attributed to this customer. Continue the same process for the other fields. Some fields aren't required, shown by the asterisks, so you can leave those fields blank. Finalize the setup, and we can even set logic rules so that a conversation is only created if those rules have been met. Sweet, I'm all done. Time to test the connection. But before you run a test, ensure that you complete a test submission of your form so that Paperform can test the connection with Help Scout using real data. All right, it's been a success. Navigating to the mailbox in Help Scout, we can see a new conversation has been created. All that's left is to select Finish Setup, and the integration is now live. You can configure this integration and any other integrations you create with Paperform from your Integrations and Webhooks tab. Told you it was easy. We'd love to know how you plan to use this integration or what other integrations are you using. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Good luck and thanks for watching.